Hey guys, how are you? I'm Stress. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a DIY video. As I promised in my previous video, it's going to be 3 earring videos, and it's quite easy, like a 1-minute DIY video that you can make easily, like at your home, and trust me, you're gonna love it. I'm gonna talk a little bit about the earrings, and I will be showing you how to make those earrings, and I'm gonna show you how that looks on me. So first earring is going to be this one, guys. Like these earrings, I kind of think that this has like the Versace vibes in it, just because it's gold, maybe, but I love this one. This one is like my favorite. Like, trust me, every earring is my favorite. Another earring is this one, which has kind of Ariana Grande vibe, which I think this turned out so pretty, so gorgeous, so dreamy. And another one, this one. Look at these, how cool these looks. This is like I don't know how to explain it. This is kind of a cool earring and my favorite earring. All of these 3 earrings are my favorite, and I will be showing how you guys can make it at home very easily, very affordable, very easy DIY. So keep on watching. I'm taking these 2 buttons like this, vintage buttons, and transforming into an earring. First of all, I have to remove this part. So for that, I'm going to use a scraper. For this button, I'm going to scrape it like this. Scraping the back out, it's going to look something like this, flat. So now we're going to use hot glue and some pins or top. I'm going to stick it in here. Just take a little amount of hot glue and then glue it immediately. Set it dry. Now moving to another one, do the same exact hot glue and take it like this and wait for it to dry. This is how it looks like. Now for the second DIY earring, you need a hoop, a ring, which you can easily find in the market, which is very, very common. And I have this pink fur rod, which you can make very easily using wire and some threads, pink threads, which I'm not going to show you right now, but this is available on the market as well. First of all, start from here. You just have to do this and start rolling it all over. adjusting it to how you want. And I have the other one as well, so this is how it looks like. Now for the next video, you need this hooks for making the ring, and I'm going to use these rings to make. First of all, I'm going to take this ring, which is quite cute, quite nice, and I'm going to take this one, this smaller ring, which is made for making key rings and all like this. So we're going to bend it like this. First of all, I'm going to use my hands for this, but I do not suggest you to use your hands because it's going to be lit up. Insert it like this, then go inside like this. Yes! Now again, doing the same for this one, I'm going to add some. Okay. And I will be doing this. Now again, I will be adding this, and this is the last one. If you want to make it you can make it as long as you want, as short as you want. It's up to you. I like the length this much. Like this. Now you're going to add this inside the same way I am doing to insert other earrings like these. And see, super easy, super cool. So let me style it and be back.